Hi everyone, welcome to Sleepy Time Story. Today we're reading Let's Bake a Cake by Chloe Place, illustrations by Nataliia Tymoshenko. Can you help me bake a cake? I bet you can. Let's see what we can make. First, we need a bowl. Then, we need some flour. Is the oven hot? 'Cause this will take an hour. Sugar, butter, and don't forget about eggs. Sometimes we need Dad to help, 'cause he has long legs. Stir, 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 as fast as you can. And now nice and slow, pour it into the pan. Okay, it's ready to cook. Come over here and take a look. Let's add some chocolate, sprinkles, and marshmallows on top, and a big pink bow to give it some pop. A little bit more here, and a dash more there. We don't want any sides to be bare. Let's grab our forks and take a bite. I've got to say, we did all right. The end. Thank you so much for joining us. Please like and subscribe. That was Let's Bake a Cake. If you want to read along with us next time, pick up a copy in the link below. And until next time, sweet dreams.